we're going to do a quick test of the transfer pump driver in this old Cummins ECU. To simulate the pump, I have this air pump here. It pulls about 4 or 5 amps. I have a trigger set up at about 12 volts and a monitor and power supply. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the ignition switch on, and you'll see it prime the pump. It did hit 12, and you heard the pump come on, and that's normal. And now I'm going to turn on the crank and cam signals, and the pump should run consistently. Okay, so I unhooked it. Everything's off, voltage dropped. I'm gonna do it one more time. We're gonna watch the trigger.